This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Annual Unfurnished Rental Opportunity at the delightful Falls community in Lovely Vero Beach. This 3/4 plus den home with a popular modern floor plan is perfect for entertaining your family and guests. The spacious gourmet kitchen features include a gas cooktop, stainless appliances, expansive island granite counters that opens to the living area, making it ideal for today's lifestyle. Come and enjoy the serene lake views while relaxing on the back porch. Socialize and swim at the local community pool, stroll through the landscaped grounds. Enjoy being in a gated, secured community close to town. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-321-3056.